Hi everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. He left. Hi everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. So before I go ahead and start this video, I just want to kind of introduce you guys to a new member of the family, and this is Dusty. I love him so much. He's like literally, he's been taking all my attention this past week. Honestly, it's been a week that we have him yesterday, and he is 2 months old and he's very feisty and he wants to go ahead and run and eat and poop everywhere. I'm just kidding. He's such a good kitty. You guys, I'll do another video to introduce him a little bit more. I'm kind of in a rush today, but I really wanted to kind of throw him in this video and show you guys, hey Dusty, becoming so feisty, huh baby. I love him so much. He is, I'm just gonna put him down because he's being really feisty. I just kind of wanted to introduce him to you guys. He is a mix of British Fold and Russian Blue, which is, Russian Blue has been my dream cat to have. Did you guys hear that? Russian Blue is my dream cat to have, and when I found him, Will and we just absolutely fell in love with him and we just really needed to have him. So he is our new baby and a new member of the family. He is the cutest thing ever. Like, people come visit us now just to see him. They don't really care about us. I'm just wondering what happens if we have a kid. It's gonna be exactly the same thing. Yep. So for this video today, I am doing a tutorial. This is my last tutorial using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and for today I am using Ring the Alarm, which is one of my favorite palettes. I mean, all of them, I'm just really obsessed with them and I love them all, but this one, it is very, very nice. It's one of my favorites. So I really wanted to kind of do something light on the eyes and go really dark to be in the fall Halloween inspiration kind of look. So I really like this look a lot, and I miss my dark lips, you guys. I really do. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. I want to eat him. I can't survive. I can't survive if I don't eat you. Alright you guys, so the first thing I went ahead and I did is that I applied a primer. I'm using the Morphe eyelid primer for this one today, and today is going to be the last look that I'm going to be doing using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, and I'm using Ring the Alarm for this one. I really wanted something kind of light, and I really wanted to try the other shades because I've already tried the burgundy and stuff from this palette. I think, was it? I don't know, I don't remember, but I really wanted to try more of the orangey toned, and I really wanted to try this beautiful rose gold color. So this is kind of what I did. There's so much. I love the golden rose gold tones that it has in it. It's super pretty. I'm just gonna take the big brush again, the same one that I used at the beginning, and I'm just going to blend out Lolly with the rest of the colors in the crease. I'm just gonna take a little bit more and pack it closer to the lash line and just kind of like have it concentrated there, and then blend it out with the big brush like that again. Next, I'm gonna be taking the JH40 brush, which is the smaller one, and I'm taking Alert, the second shade that I used. Gonna pack my brush with this, and I'm going to run it all over the lower lash line, and I'm gonna go really crazy with this, have it really smoked out because that's the way I like it. I'm gonna take Mugshot, the brown one, and I'm gonna run it over that. Taking that big brush again, and I'm gonna take Rush on it, and I'm gonna lightly blend it out. I look really weird right now because I'm like looking up like that. I'm just gonna take a little bit of Alert, a little bit more, and just going to pop it just to make it a little bit orangey, more fall-ish. So I really don't feel like wearing any purples or anything like that, even though this palette is full of it. But if you guys want me to create another look using this palette, you can let me know and I will do that. If you want me to use more of the purpley shades, and the shade right here is really pretty too, I might. But if you guys don't want me to and you want me to move on to other palettes that I have, because I do have a lot of new palettes that I really want to do tutorials for you guys. But if you guys want me to do another tutorial using the Ring the Alarm with more of the purpley shades, let me know and I'll make it happen. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm not wearing liner for this look either, so I'm really like going really simple at it, a really fast look. And I'm gonna use my Benefit They're Real. I love this mascara. I actually do need a new one. I'm running out of this. It's like almost drying out on me. So I wish there was like a mascara could last forever and like it does not dry on you. Mine would be this one. Like I will have it for eternity. I love it. It just makes my lashes super nice, especially when it's like brand new. I don't want my lashes to be super perfect with the mascara because I'm putting some lashes on. I'm reordered these. These are my favorite. These were actually my wedding lashes and I love them. These are from House of Lashes and these are called Smoky Moss. They look like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop them on. But before I do that, I need to cut them a little bit because these are made really long. I'll go ahead and pop them on and I'll be back to finish up the face with you guys. Okay, moved you back to the actual spot. Sorry, my hair looks really bad. I'll go ahead and fix it when I'm done with the face, but I really like the eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some mascara on the lower lashes because I forgot to do that. This is what it looks like. I love the eyes. I like how light they are, but obviously there's still something on my eyes, duh. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off my bronzer. I'm just gonna use my Kat Von D. This is Shadow Play. And I'm also using the JH04 for this one, and it's my favorite brush. Like you guys, I'm totally obsessed with this brush. So I'm just going to just bronze up a little more because you guys know me, I like to do that. And for blush, I'm gonna use my Juvia's palette, volume 2 or VOL.II. And I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna take Tau, this one right here, but not a lot because this is pigmented. And I'm just going to pop that on other apples. This is very pigmented, you guys. Like it's very pigmented, and you need to be careful with it or else you're gonna end up with 2 big orange cheeks. So I just went ahead and I sprayed a little bit of the Urban Decay All Nighter all over my face to mix it up to put on this baby right here. I'm still supporting the Morphe gang, so I'm taking my Morphe palette with Bretman Rock, and this is Babe in Paradise. And I tried this color, you guys, and it's so pretty. And I'm gonna be taking Vacation, which is this one right here. I love the fact that he named it like that. It's super funny. I love it. Oh, should I take Vacation or should I take Get Lei'd? This one. I think I'm gonna take this one. Let me try this one, see how it looks like. Because I don't want it to be too light on my face. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Girl, this is freaking gorgeous. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and add Peaches blush just a little bit, and just because I feel like it's just gonna bring it out just a little bit. For lips, I want to go dark, and I'm gonna be using this one right here. This is from Kat Von D in one of my favorite colors. This is called Vampira, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it on my lips. All right, you guys, the lips are finally on. This is the end of the video. If you guys are wondering what I used on my face before I go ahead and started this tutorial, because as you guys saw, I had the whole thing on and I just did the eyes, so everything is going to be indicated in the info box down below for you guys. You can go ahead and check it out, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also hit the notify button to get notified every time I upload a new tutorial or a new video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you have any questions or concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below, and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.